Hello there guys, it is DMS123 here showcasing NinjaBot for the 5th time. And I already made a mistake, but I'm going to try not to. It is a little lag, that's why I can't see myself eating. But today I'll be showcasing the NinjaBot, and this is the first time, like I said. So the first thing is, hold on guys, I have a call. Okay guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. I had a call from my dad and it was horrible. Took forever. Okay, so to make a steel ingot, you need iron ingot and a carbon. To get your steel ingot, which is, I probably don't need that. But, and then you got a steel ingot and ink sac to make ninja stars, which is, I use some of them. Like climbing spikes, you need all that. You guys take a look at the fashion recipes. I'm gonna go for one and grab them. Not very back. Yeah, basically all you need is ink sac, leather, tunic, and steel ingot to make the common suit. Now time to get into more advanced. We got sight, speed, strength, and stamina. So I'm gonna take my ninja suit off. I'm gonna wear this. Basically, this gives you invisibility and everything. Invisibility, gives you night vision. So let me show you the night vision, speed, strength, jump boost, invisibility, all that good stuff. Now it's time to show you the stuff in action. Got a dirt block because it can get messy. So the water katana, I'm gonna kind of get up here, that way I'm not floating. But you kind of just left click, right click, and it acts as a water bucket. You got the fire katana, right click. The katana is a hoe. And after these two katanas don't do anything. There is a normal katana. So attack strength. This does 6, 7, 7, 7, 7, 6, 10. So now we're gonna test these out. See what comes up. And also, when you have the climbing spikes on you can climb walls. Yeah, I know, cool. Okay. So what we're gonna do? /time set night. So night vision's working. You can see. So now I'm gonna spawn a zombie in and a normal katana. 2 hits and he's dead. That's pretty good for a katana, which is iron, rock, carbon, and stick and wool. It's pretty good. Pretty cheap, I'd say. I don't know. But we'll put another zombie down. We got the fire katana, catches your enemy on fire. We got the spawn zombie. The water katana gives him slowness. See, okay. He can't move. That gives him slowness. Spawn a zombie. Give him poison. And then we got this one, my second favorite. This is my first. Air katana, hit him, goes flying up into the air. Last but not least, we have the legendary katana. Hits him in 1 hit. Here, that was this one's 1 hit. Now, time for the ninja star. I'll show you how much health it takes off. depending on where it hits you. Miss completely. It's really gonna kill me. It did do a lot. I'll show you the ninja star again. Spider-Man. Well, that is it for this mod showcase. I hope you have a wonderful day. And if you subscribe and give me more likes and views, I will definitely make more videos like this every single day. And I'll see you all again later when I make another video. And see you all later. Bye bye.